First of all, gold H1 time frame. You have seen last week vertical drop on CPI number. First it bent up, pump, then vertical dump after CPI number. And before CPI number, all the beginner trader were bullish. And ultimately it break out 2020 level, then collapsed below $2,000. And if you have not trade 1300 and 1500 psychological level, then you will not understand what is happening at 2000 level, because some people does not care about Fed monetary policy, not even technical. They just buy always a psychological number. You can see it did not stay below $2000 level, but psychology, you can see big celebrity like Robert Kiyosaki, they were predicting crash up to 1200 level. And again, they are saying CPI number is noise. They said same thing about last CPI number, because ultimately they only care about PCE number. But you can see this high came after NAP number and CPI number. Price is still trading below those level, and this can be your technical counter trend correction and blind FOMO buying on psychological level. So compared to last week, 2020 breakout, gold collapse to $2000. This week you have static horizontal resistance 2014. This is big horizontal resistance for beginner intraday scalper this week. Below 2014 you can say gold bearish, above 2014 gold bullish. And this entire wave top to bottom 50% retracement and 61, 2014 and 2031. These are your last big resistance level. Correction can go up to 2034, but until 2034 does not break on H1, it is still bearish on technical chart, because you have clear lower low with lower high. So bearish until 2034 does not break out, and big horizontal resistance 2014 for a new trade entry. Still on H4 chart, your big horizontal resistance is 2088. And you can see last week after CPI number, rate cut timing have shifted from January to September month. This is same like last year higher for longer narrative. They will not pause forever, but you can see from January, that means 2088 level, to break out below $2000. This is big change, and this is your sideway range until market get clarity on first rate cut timing, because Fed is shifting and they are delaying first rate cut timing, and this clarity will not come before March FOMC meeting. So this is your big size sideway range on H4 chart between $2000 and 2088, which depends on length of their rate pause. But you can see each FOMC meeting this year, first it was January FOMC meeting, then March, then May. All of those rate cuts are priced out, and market is not seeing first rate cut before June FOMC meeting. And this is same to same what Fed said in last FOMC minute, because this week your only biggest news is Fed FOMC minute, and biggest focus in FOMC minute will be first rate cut timing, which they said in June last FOMC minute, and what they do with their QT monetary policy, because you can see balance sheet size is still going down. And just a reminder, after that 60-minute Fed interview, until Fed panic, because he have said war and commercial real estate crisis, these things are not bullish until Fed panic. And this can be your big retest after breakout. That's why this level you can see big horizontal resistance 2014, and this can be simple retest after breakout. So until this level does not break out, price does not go above 2014, technically it is bearish. And FOMC minute PDF will decide market sentiment this week because this is the biggest news this week. After that, you have Fed Chair Powell speech, and after CPI number, he have all the reason to be hawkish. And if you compare this high in beginning of December month, when rate cut timing shift from January to September month, your 7 rate cut are almost sync with Fed forecast of 3 cut. And as long as market is sync with their December SCP forecast, FOMC member will stay dovish. If price close this resistance level, then their tone can change. So FOMC minute PDF will decide this resistance level will break out or retest then new lower low. And this is a big horizontal resistance level, and technically you can see it is clear downtrend. So this week for intraday trader you have clear technical resistance level. Bearish below resistance, bullish above resistance. But still I am on bearish side. If you see daily chart, last week this trend line was your technical setup. Clear breakout in weak red candlestick. Now it is trying to retest. Intraday time frame are giving you 2014 level, but you can see on daily chart still more price length before trendline retest again. And you can see from this top to bottom you have 50% fib level and big horizontal support level. So this entire area is support zone from 1980 to 1940. If FOMC minute this week trigger more hawkish panic, then it can easily make new lower low and retesting first support level. But I am again saying until price trading below 2060 on daily chart, I am bearish. And this was your flat AVC correction. WXY wave complete. That was exactly 100% projection. Now this is your counter trend correction. Still this impulsive wave after correction, you can see this level not tested, not even breakout. So after breakout of this trend line, I am expecting a retest, then testing again 1980 level. So that is the support level. Basically buying below psychological 2000 level. Because until Fed turn QT into QE, this thing is most bearish for gold. And your bar, like Fed said, short-term problem, CPI was higher than expected number, but compared to last month, it is still going down. Now if you see weekly chart, then you have clear static horizontal support level 2008. You can see how many times this level retested after breakout. You have two weekly candlesticks showing clear rejection below 2008 level. So if this level retest again, weekly candlestick going below 2008, you can buy technically. But closing of this week candlestick completely depend on FOMC minute. And starting this week, every week you can expect shocking news, shocking price action. And I am saying in advance, there is no place for beginner trader. Because in next 2 weeks, especially your 2008 level, this will go in both direction and it will kill both buyer and seller before complete trend reversal. You must have sold at 2088 level in beginning of the year, then before NFP news, then before CPI news. Now it is already too late for selling trade. All the time when it was trading about 2088, we were bearish, but slowly we will change our direction. For beginner trader this week, you have clear sideway range, clear level, and biggest level is 2014.